Hello, let's do EE.1 from Ixl. So we're simplifying square roots. So to help out, I'm gonna have my calculator inside to show you that everything I'm doing is indeed the same number. Okay, so we got the square root of 45, so I'm gonna type in a 6.7. No, simplify means to rewrite them neatly. So what we're gonna try to do is we're gonna try to break 45 down and pull out any perfect square roots because we can rewrite those as numbers. So right away, my brain is telling me that the square root of 45 is also the square root of 9 times 5. Okay, again, just breaking that down. I'm breaking 45 down into two numbers, trying to get a perfect square out of them. Luckily, a 9 and a 5 make 45. Now, I could rewrite it one more time. I usually skip this part, but I could rewrite it as the square root of 9 times the square root of 5. Okay, look at that. Same thing over here, right? Now, square root of 9 I can rewrite. Square root of 9 is actually 3. And then the square root of 5, since it's not a perfect square, it's got to stay a radical. It's got to stay the square root of 5. Boom, there we go. So that's rewritten as best as I can. 3 square roots of 5, all the way from 45, 9 times 5 inside the radical sign, and then split. The multiplication can transcend, okay? You can be multiplied inside the symbol or outside the symbol as long as you keep them as square roots. So I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to go 3 rad 5. Boom. Oh, looks like, there we go. Okay, we got it. All right, 12. Let's attack 12. Here we go. Let's go square root of 12. Let's see. I could break down the square root of 12. I think I could break it down as the square root of 4 times 3. Yep, there we go. It's the same. So the square root of 4 is actually a 2. Square root of 3 is not a perfect square, so it's got to stay. There it is. So I kind of skipped this step right here. This step I don't really like so much. I just skip it because I already know what's going on. So I just visually see square root of 4 being 2, and then 3, you're not on the list, so you got to stay here. So 2 rad 3 is what I would say. 2 rad 3, boom. Okay, square root of 8, it's kind of an easy one. I think that's just 4 times 2. Here we go, I'm going to go and skip. Square root of 8, well, I better start to show you. There's square root of 8, square root 4 times 2, same thing. Square root of 4 is indeed 2. 2 rad 2. Got him. There we go. I wonder if I can copy and paste this into here. No, not letting me. Oh, well. Here we go. 2, square root 2. There we go. I tried. Okay. So let's keep going. Okay. It's basically rinse and repeat. There's only so many numbers out there that are going to have you simplify. Square root of 18. Hit it. That's going to be 9 times 2, I believe. There it is. Okay. Again, your ability to find the perfect squares in there is going to speed this up so much faster for you. Here we go. So this would be 3 rad 2. Yep, there we go. All right, here we go. 3 rad 2. Boom. There we go. Anything else? Square root of 50. Let's end on this one. I think we're starting to get the idea here. Square root 50. That's 25 times 2, I think would be the best combination. There we go. Same thing. All right, square root of 25 is 5. It's going to be 5 rad 2. Got him. There we go. 5 rad 2. Okay, that's it. So, oh, good. I'm glad we got a more difficult one. What do you do when there's a number already on the outside? Well, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to kind of ignore it for right now. Well, I'll type it one time. So let's go, what is it, 8 rad 45. Oops, that's not right. 45, but 45. There we go. So we got to get this. Okay, so I'm going to kind of ignore the 8 for a second. I'm just going to simplify the square root of 45. 45. Oops, here we go. Type slowly. 45. Okay, let's see here. I think we did this one already, didn't we? Hey, look, it's right up there. Here we go. Sweet. So 9 times 5, 9 times, 3 rad 5. Okay, sweet. So hit enter, 3 rad 5. How does that help? Well, we took this 8 out. We better bring it back into play. So watch what happens. I'm going to go 8 times 3 rads of 5. Look at that right there. So if there's a number already on the outside, ignore it, simplify the radical, and then whatever makes it out, multiply it by the number that you ignored. So I actually need to take this one step further and go 24 rad 5. There it is. That's the best way to write it. 24 rad 5. Got him. Okay. Then we're back to this. That's an easy one. Okay. See if I can hit refresh. I wonder if I can get another one of those tougher ones here. Come on. Show me. What do you got? Come on. Internet, knock it off. I already did that one. Come on, Internet, give me a tough one again. Nah, well, looks like they're all easy. Oh, it started to be at 0. Never mind. Stupid Mr. K. Anyway, so again, when you have a number, it's on the outside, okay, ignore it, simplify the radical. What makes it out needs to get mixed back together with the number that made it out. So if you're on the outside, combine them again. We'll get to problems where we have to recombine things on the outside, but we'll get to that in a later day. Okay, that's a little run through of EE.1. Peace out.